Alright, we're gonna feed the chickens. There's a cat. He's gonna chase the chickens probably. That's Yoda. He's our rodent controller around here. And our buddy. Oh yeah, see. There's the chickens there. They're waiting to get fed, but they don't like seeing the kitty. He likes chasing. Alright, so this is gonna probably be real shaky. Let me do this with one hand. Oh, there he goes. Yoda, you better be good, buddy. Okay, so anyway, this is just your basic chicken food. It's designed for chickens who lay eggs. It's stuff in there good for the shells, I suppose. Oyster shells, I think it is. Like I said, I'm still learning, so any chicken experts have any ideas for me, want to share them, I would be more than glad to hear. Yeah, y'all know what's up. Alright, so here's the coop. Now, this is kind of interesting. Sweetie girl, who y'all have met, is this one. She is the sweetest one, and she's the smartest one too. You'll see what she's doing there. She's going up top because she knows. I'm gonna put a little bit up there. She's the only one that's ever figured out that. Ain't that right, girl? There you go. So that's her little stash, and then the rest of them. Sorry about that, guys. Trying to do two things at once is a little hard for me. Yeah. Bon appetit. Yeah, and here we're pecking away. So yeah, pretty cool little setup I got here. It was all here when I moved. The coop and the chickens and everything. And so I've just kind of learned by doing. But it's been real enjoyable. Really reminds me of stories my dad told me growing up. He grew up on a farm, little with his grandparents, and they had a lot more than chickens. Well, and I'm only on 3 acres here, so. But between the chickens and a garden and a few other things planned for the future, I really try to be as self-sufficient as possible. So, chickens are enjoying their dinner. Let them do that. And see you guys later.